Hey everybody, welcome back to Shanice Shopping Saga. So we are in Big Lots and I see some stuff over here in the 5 and under section. So they have these cute bags, Boo Crew, and what does this say? May contain treats. Oh, okay. I'm like, wait a minute, what does this say? These are nice. These are heavy. And these are 99¢. The sticky webs. There's some salt and pepper eyeballs. The skeleton glows in the dark. These are $1. They have some of the $5 soft throws. Some of the mugs in here. Welcome to our pumpkin patch. The skeleton head, and this one is $5. The ghost. There's the pumpkin mugs. Thankful family. Good morning, beautiful. Gobble till you wobble. And then there's these little casserole pots. These are $5. Some stockings, ladies' tights. The speaker in here is very, very loud. And I'm like right under it. I hope you guys can hear me. There is Hey Boo, coffee with screams and sugar, happy Halloween, pick your poison. Oh, look at the cute little gloves. These are $3. Oh, there's some cute little matching hats. A pumpkin head. What's this one? Those are cute. And some of the hair clips. These are $5. Uh-oh. It doesn't say they glow in the dark. Yeah, they glow in the dark. These are $1. Candy, and they have some of the garland right here. Let's see, right here, there's some coasters. Thankful and blessed. These are $2. Oh my gourd. Hello fall. Sweater weather. And these are $3. Have some of the gel cleans. Some salad servers. These are $2. I see them in black and white. These light up. Okay, $3, trying to get the price, and also these light up. And then some of the salt and pepper shakers. These are $5. There's also this one. Okay. Oh, look at these cute socks. These are $4. These are really cute. I like these. There's some ghosts. Happy Halloween. And they have a little of their animatronic stuff. I don't even think they're on yet. Let's see. Oh, nope, he's on. He's $179. And then there's this one, Beware. These are $100. They're not quite finished yet though. I gotta get everything set up. These are $10, these candles. Birch and bark. Look at this cute spider web. Mat, this is $13. $10. Poison grade witches. Look at this pillow. 13.
Getting all ready for the season, Emmy.
There's Spooky, 15. $6. I don't know if I told you guys before, but Big Lots gives me Homegoods vibes now. They used to have like everything like all lined up together. Now they kind of just display it like 13, have it all like scattered out. Mystic Woods. That Madness 13 is another one of the eyes. Okay, let's check out some of the bathroom stuff I see right here. 15. There's some of the shower curtains up here for $8.
Powered by Progressive, and take home your purchases today, all for a low down payment. No credit needed to apply.
The soap dispensers.
Are available.
These are $9.
How to apply and take home your new furniture today.
And then there's some pillows down here. Let's see, these pillows are, I don't see a price on them. Oh, look at the little ghost, she's $10. Boo. Spooky, these are $10 too. This is gonna be a short vlog because they don't have everything out. So 13, we're just gonna call this a little sneak peek. That's cute. 13, because they're not quite ready yet. So you'll definitely be back a few times. I keep checking in what they have. Warm pumpkin spice, $8. Oh, look at this pillow, has feet. That one. These placemats are, I don't see a price on them. All right, let's look at some of these candles. They have pumpkins and flannels.
They kind of force you for that stuff usually, right? They kind of make you.
This is $7. This one is sweet maple chair. There's the owl, the gnomes. But like I said, this is just a small sneak peek. So make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel. Cinnamon pumpkin brulee. Here's pumpkin spice. We're gonna pop back in here once they're all the way ready. They're not quite ready yet. Spice Woods, and check out everything that they have. So with that being said, thank you guys so much for clicking on this video, shopping around with me. This one says fall, sweet fall. Happy fall, y'all. Hey there, pumpkin. Welcome fall. There's pumpkin buttercream, wine, oak, and apple. What does it say? Hearthside toddy, sweet maple chai. These are some room scents. Sugared maple, morning pumpkin. But yeah, thank you guys for clicking on this video and shopping around with me. This trip is kind of short. Like I said, we'll be back. Hopefully you were able to enjoy the little sneak peek, and I will see you guys in the next one. All right, everybody, so I decided to come to a different Big Lots on a different day, and let's see if they have any more items and stuff in here, because $6, I don't know, I just wasn't happy with that one. So they do have a few more pieces in their dollar section. These are $3. Pretty. And then look at this one. Let's see, I see a few more mugs in here. $5. There's also the cat. Let's see this one right here. And they have a few more Halloween bags over here on the spatulas. These bags are $2. Oh, they have some of the dog toys over here. I stopped over here because I saw some of the costumes. These are $8. These bowls are $4. I see SpongeBob, Peanuts, Spider-Man, some more of the snack times. These are $6. And then they have some of the mats, $2.98. Oh, everybody has their cute little earrings. So they have some of their fall and Halloween earrings. So these are $5. It's the leaves, the pumpkins. These kind of feel like felt. So it's the pumpkins, the footballs. And then look at these. These are $6. For 3 in the pack, the leaf, the pumpkin, the scarecrows. These are $5. The cats. Torches. The bats. The spider webs with the spiders. There's some pumpkins. That's one little earring. There's the ghosts. These are like iridescent. Those little circles, the spider webs. The potion. The ghosts. Little ghosts again, pumpkin. The cats with the rise back. I like these spider webs. You can see them a little bit more with the web coming out. Here's the skeleton. The gnomes. The pumpkins, these are cute. Some more spiders and the cats with the ghosts. And these right here. Alright, I think they have a little bit more Halloween out still. Not as much, but it's a little more. These are $13. The Hocus Pocus, that's $10. $6. One thing for sure is that their music is pumping in both of their locations. I hope y'all can hear me. These are $5. Boo. Happy Halloween. We did see these guys. Oh, this is cute. The mugs with the toppers. Basic Witch and Witch Brew. These are $8. Those are really pretty. And in a dog jar. Let's see. Those are $10. Magic Potion. This one is $10. Okay, and then these inflatables. Let's see. Let's go back over here to the lights. These are $13. And these are $5. These are $10. It's a cute little jar. Alright, so that looks like that's going to be the end of the Halloween section. So what we see over here for now. But, of course, we'll be back. So, let's see what else they got in here. These cute little fall blankets. These are $5. What is this? 15 sweet peas, cute little chairs. All right, that is all I see in both locations. I came specifically to show you guys Halloween and fall. I don't see any fall. Wow, I don't see any fall out. I think someone did comment and say they have out all of their Halloween and fall comes first. But yeah, but thank you guys so much for clicking on this video, shopping around with me in both locations and Big Lots. Hope you guys were able to enjoy this, and I will see you guys in the next one. Look at this Wednesday mug. This is 10. Here's Back to the Future. This one is pretty. Has a topper, has 10. Oh, they did have some mats around the back. So this one is 13, and then there's also that one. Welcome. And these are 13. Hey there, pumpkin. And this one. Welcome.